Good morning! Tulog pa ang boys. 11:30 na guys. Super lazy day. Sunday today. And yan yung view natin as usual. Sunday ngayon. Si Holly nanonood lang ng TV doon. Ako maliligo na ako. Maliligo na ako. Yes, tulog pa sila dyan. Oras na ba? 11:39. Yan, 11:39. Okay. Shower muna ako. What time si Papa? Nakaligo na pala ako, si Holly, si Sak, si Kuya maliligo pala yan si Jan. Anong oras na ba? Ang kinain nila ay yung sa Red Ribbon na mamon. Yan yung suot ko. Ha? 1:34 in the afternoon. Ito yung suot natin na damit. Patatanggal din ulit natin. Kaya dyan yung kanyang tag. Ayan. May tag pa ba?
Wala.
Wala?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. I can feel it. Yeah. Patanggal natin ulit yan. Kaya dyan, wala kaming gunting. Yung lighter ni dyan ang ginagamit ko. And ito yung isa sa binigay ni Bianca. Ano to? Pangbuhok to guys. Moist Repair Oil. Oo, pangbuhok na hair. Ah, you found ano? Okay. May nahanap siyang gunting. Make sure you don't cut mommy's hair, ha?
Then remove it.
Is it sharp?
No.
No? Let daddy do it na lang. Yank. Hoy, just let daddy do it. May stopper siya. Lagay tayo sa buhok. Ay, oh, ang bango! Uy, ang bango nito. Japan ata to kasi ayan yung ano niya. Tingnan, daming lagas ng buhok ko, guys. Oh. Uy, ang bango nito. May binili akong hair mist, diba? Parang hindi ko muna gagamitin yun kasi ang bango nito.
I know how to get it. Ang bango.
No, so mabango, no? Ang bango nito, guys. Oh. And honey milk tea, moist repair oil. Japan ata to. Ayan. Ang bango niya. I love it.
Mom, I have to cut off the tag then.
No, Papa. Let daddy do it. Baka magbunting mo pa ang
I've
gusto.
got it.
Ang bango. Ito yung ating Ilyo na nabili kagabi. Ayan, Ilyo from Diptyque. Pero hindi natin siya gagamitin kasi ang bango na ng buhok natin. Gamitin ko yung sample na bigay ng Diptyque. Ito yung Iyo Pape. Iyo Pape. O Pape. Yung sample nila. Ayan. So ito yung I'll do it, Baba, because it's
oily.
ay, yung bango din nito. Pero mas bango yung ano guys, yung Ilyo. Magpapalagay siya. Oh. Ang hair mo hindi na kailangan kasi maganda ang buhok mo, Baba.
What's it do to your hair?
Repair. Make it shiny. Oh, ang bango na. Okay.
Makes it smooth and
Yeah,
soft.
maglalagay. Mag-blower ako. Ang bango!
Bango.
Ang bango-bango ah.
Bango.
Nagutom ako. Kainin ko to yung tinake out ni Jana. Brownies from KFC.
Mom, it's hard because you didn't like it.
Pretty didn't like it. Brownies kasi to.
Mom, do you show
Right.
those guys what you couldn't show them yesterday? That little blue thingy.
Time check. 2:44 na ng hapon. Eh, nakalimutan ko. Meron pala ako ditong jelly stick. Yung Arcadia. Pero lagyan na tayo ng blush on yung Sunny's Face. Ito yung shade yung guys. Ano na siya? Burado na. Sobrang tagal na nito sa atin. Ay. Yeah, 2:45. So, gamitin ko na lang yung kanyang
Jelly stick?
no, yung lip tint. Gamitin natin yung anong shade. Kasi meron tayong deep nude. And, try ko ba yung deep nude? Ito naman is warm pink. Mag-deep nude kaya tayo. Try lang natin. Try natin. Kasi sikat daw to or famous siya sa lip tint yung Arcadia. So, first time natin matatry. Ayan siya, guys. So, wait lang, ha. Ayan. Magsalamin lang ako. May cooling effect. So, isang ano lang yan, guys. Isang dip lang. Ayusin ko lang. So, ayan na yung ating lip tint from Arcadia na. Ang shade niya is Deep Nude. So, dalawang deep. Para medyo pumapal siyang konti. Pero ang ganda niya. Ano siya? May cooling effect. So, we'll see kung mamaya okay pa siya. So, dalhin natin to. Tanggalin ko na pala siya sa kanyang box. So, si Sak gusto niyang kumain muna. Mamaya kasi may dinner kami sa Mamo Steakhouse ba yun? If I'm not mistaken. Kasi si Jang gusto niya ulit mag-steak. Chinek ng pinsang ko yung Outback sa Glorieta 4. Permanently closed na pala. Magpapa-reserve sana kami doon. Wala na pala. So, ngayon, dito na lang tayo sa Mamo. Kasi masarap naman daw dyan. So, mamay. Pero si Sak gusto nang kumain kasi wala pa silang proper lunch. Kung ano-ano lang yung kinakain nilang nasa ref. Ngayon si Holly nag-growers. Ayan. Dito lang talaga kayo maghapon sa dito sa room na to. Sa Airbnb na to. Nilagay pala namin yung coins namin dito sa Ziploc. Madami siyang 20s and 5s.
And 1s.
And kunti lang yung halos 5 and 20. Ilagay natin sa bag ni Holly. Ang bigat nito, Baba. Ay, Diyos ko, ang dami niya ring laman. Mga ano niya. Baba, you don't need this here. May card din siya, guys. Everyone cards. May popo. And alcohol. How it's gonna fit this one, Baba? No, it's not gonna fit. It's gonna
I'm
be...
bringing my blue bag, not that bag.
No, this one. Okay na to. It's so heavy, Baba. You can just do this.
Oh, thanks for the coins, too.
Ayan. Kailangan natin gamitin ang coins. Wala na tong coins. Inalis ko na yung coins, pati yung kay Jan. Okay. So, bababa na tayo. Hala, patingin na kayo. Bababa na tayo. Kasi si Sak gusto niya muna mag-ramen. Mamaya pa kasi yung dinner namin mga 6 o'clock.
What? Spicy ramen.
Spicy ramen.
I'll get some. You said you're not gonna eat. But can I still eat at the restaurant then?
Yeah, it's up to you.
Is that what the chef?
Si Kuya din gusto mag-ramen. Kaso kagabi nga, ano
No,
siya?
at the restaurant.
25 to 30 minutes ata yung waiting. Kaya hindi kami nag-ramen.
No, stay. No.
Okay, ready ko lang yung gamit. Good afternoon. Punta tayo ng Uptown Mall. Ito, pakainin mo ng ramen. Sana may makita tayo on the way doon. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Hindi pala po. So, dyan tayo magla-lunch. Magdi-dinner mamaya sa Mamo. So, si Sak gusto mag-ramen. Ayan, Sak! Hi! So, dito tayo sa Ippudo. Okay. Ah, you want the tempura? Okay. Hmm? yung in-order niya is Caraca Tamago. Spicy to.
Sauce, that's a spice.
That's the soup base. Holly, Caraca Torch. Pork yung kay Holly, same as kay Sa. Kay Kuya is yung Yokohama Soyu Tamago. Mix of pork and pork. Yung kay Jan, nag-order siya ng Ibi Tempura, yung 5 pieces.
I've had that.
Yeah, it's good. Better?
Yeah, so we're like,
Ito na yung ating pork bun. Ayan.
I can give you two money.
So we're having a bet.
Ito yung sa kanila. Ang init pa eh.
Kuya,
Parang ang sarap. Parang cheese siya, no? Cheese ata yun. Or mayonnaise.
feels like that.
see, it's good.
That's good, that one. You will like it. Okay, try Bev.
Did you make this?
I did, yeah.
Yeah. I remember, Mom, I wanted.
Go try, Han.
Oh,
It's hot.
You want me to ask for a Coke? Wait, why should I?
You have to try that dip.
With soy. Good. Kuya, give me savory. Is that
It's hot. He doesn't want to share it. So that's
I don't want any. Do you want it?
it's good, Han? Yokohama. Ano ba yung Yokohama? Wait lang ate.
Combination po na
Combination. Yeah, this one.
lalaglag po.
Okay. Sorry.
camera.
Thank you. Ayan na yung kay Kuya. Akamaro Tamago. Mixed pork and chicken. Ano? Yung kay Kuya pala is Yokohama. That's Yokohama, Kuya. Yokohama Soyo Tamago. Combination. It's juicy. Gusto ni Jan yung tempura. Pagza, Kuya?
Hindi yung Caraca Tamago. Spicy ramen.
That one. Sa kanya. Thank you. Yours is coming, Holly?
Akamaro store.
Yeah, sa kanya. Thank you.
Yes, sugar.
Thank you. Give it here. I can have it.
here? Good.
Ayaw nila yung ano. Ako na lang. In a minute.
I'll do it.
It's alright. Good, Baba? Humingi ako na sharing bowl. Oh, I love it, Zach. Kain natin to.
That's the pork that we had. What's it?
You should try this pork pan. But,
Every time I eat spicy, my nose just get running. That's the fun.
this is good. Mayonnaise. Hello, Kuya.
Yeah. Getting in here, yeah.
It's so hard.
That's good. Is it spicy for you, huh?
It's had more.
Is it spicy? You don't like it? You can only have tempura here in Japanese cafes.
Next to Chima.
There's only 5 tempura.
sabi niyo to sa akin. Inabot mo na ako ngayon. Pupunta ako, tapos antayin mo ako pupunta ako. Sabi ko, wag na, dadaan ako na lang.
What's wrong with it?
So, nagbayad na tayo. Inimin ko lang yung tiramisu. You like it, yeah? Yeah. So, dito muna tayo sa Uptown Mall. Regala. Oh, yeah. Mag-mall muna tayo kasi mamaya pa 6 o'clock yung booking natin sa Mamu. Si Jan, pasok muna siya dito sa Regatta. I'm not sure, baby. We'll see. Saan ito ni Jan? Trina niya. Extra large lang yung malaki. Medyo masikip kay Jan. Gusto niya sana. Ito na pinakamalaki nila. Extra large. Nice for daddy. Yeah, but it's not okay. That's nice too. Short is good here, huh? For kids. Babe. The shirt is small. It's small, it's alright. May extra small ka daw. That's nice. Is that okay? Gusto daw. Smells good. Did you try it? Sleepless days and nights. We just need a little more. Just a little time for you and I. So stay a bit longer. smells good, huh? Where's Aria? The small one, yeah. Get the small one. Other one, yeah. The other one is good. No, that's not woman. The other one. That one. Man, it will say man. On top, kuya. That one.
Where will it say men, Mom?
On the bottle. Mag-change ka na, yeah?
Where else can you find another one?
Mom, can I get more? Because I want to. Let's look at them.
Nag-change na si Kuya ng shorts. That's nice! Kami sa bench. Yung kinuha ni Zach. Colorful na naman. Do you wanna try it? Oh, where's Daddy? Alright, where's Daddy? No, this one. Show Daddy what you're gonna try. He wants to try that one. Let him. That one, Zach. Parang gusto ko tong cover up na to. Ito maganda rin. Gel. Good one. Yeah, I love it. I love the smell.
So, Mom, where's the perfume?
Is it the one?
Mom, this one
What?
smells like yours.
What? Whatever you want. You can get both. Nahihirapan naman siya pumili. Sabi ko, pwede niyang kunin dalawa. Dito tayo sa Sunny's. Meron silang anti-rat and readers. Yan. Tapos na tayo dito sa Sunny's Studios. Baba na tayo. Ayan yung BLK din, oh. So, in 30 minutes, dito tayo magdi-dinner. Si Jan, tinitingnan niya yung 8 Cats Burgers. Katabi niya lang yung mga mousse dito. Sa right side. Diyan tayo. Yung dalawa, naglalaro namang nanay, tatay. Ito na tayo dito. Okay, come on, Holly.
Oh my God, Mom, look, it's alive.
It's alive, yeah.
So it's actually a big purpose.
Thank you. So, andito na yung table natin. Hintayin lang namin yung pinsan ko.
2 a.m. in the car playing.
Meron silang sinerve na very hot bread. You don't want? You're so full? You're still full? Ayaw niyang kumain. Busog pa raw siya. Nag-late lunch kasi sila. Gustong-gusto nila ng ramen, di ba, kagabi pa. So, kanina, natupad yun. You smell everything. And dito rin yung pinsan ko. Ayan, meron kayo ditong, pork cheese, and then, bread, Caesar salad, and the sauce.
I smelled it first before I gave him a bite.
Ayan yung mango shake nila. Cheese? Yeah. Gusto ni Kuya yung bread. Yeah. Wala na. Tapos lagyan natin siya ng tomato and balsamic.
That was good, Dad. Oh, no.
My friend is well done for the dentist. You can check first the dentist. Yeah. Well done.
Yeah, perfect.
Right, and then still cooking on a hot plate to remind you.
Sabi niya sa pang.
Joy.
Na-shoot. Sabi ko pa sa kanya, bakit may chicken? Nakukuha mo naman yung sa McDonald's at sa Jollibee. It's alright, okay? It's okay na lang. It's alright. Ikaw gusto mo mag-change, babe? Okay na? O, try ng plato ko na. Okay lang? Yeah. It is. You can try it. Ano, how's the potato good?
Do you want some chicken, Mom?
No. I told you. You're gonna eat it
I
all.
thought it was gonna come with one plate.
How's your ating? No, you can have that. I'm just gonna mix it. Thank you. May pasta also. Pasta ka? Kuya, you wanna try pasta? You want? Ate, come here, ate. What's that? Steak? You like it? I like the steak. Good. You wanna try, kuya? Sauce. You don't want it? Why? You have to try it. What? Wanna try? You get drunk here. Here. So crispy, you like it? Hindi yung pasta pero masarap. Pasta. Try the pasta, huh? It's simple but it's
Hey,
good.
Mom, look at that.
Not good.
I don't want this.
Ano pa nasawa sa chicken?
Ay, ako, parang feeling may balahibo na siya ng manok ng McDonald's tsaka Jollibee.
Yeah. Ay, di ba yung Jollibee ginagawa sa Bicol? Ay, sa Tabaco?
Oo, so Legazpi kami nagja-Jollibee.
Ah.
Nagustuhan nila yung KFC dito. Kasi sa amin, hindi ganun na lang. Burger, ang liit sa amin. Ganun lang, parang bite size. You should have. Yes, very good.
Sir, pwede pa kami mag-order ng bread for them.
Ano mo? Bigyan ko na lang. Sige. Thank you. Butter? What is it? You don't see blood? That's good. Akin na ko yan.
Ay, makumula pa ako.
Masarap yung nonos.
No.
Masarap siya.
Chicken ulit siya.
Ano? Chicken.
Ayan. Matamis ang chicken siya.
Kaya ano siya matutunan. Kinain niya kalahati. Tapos let's ayun like that man. Ayun yun lang. Pinahalit niya so ano so bored kasi natutunan niya. We're done here, guys. Ang sarap ng food. Punta naman tayo ng Fridays para mag-dessert. Dito na tayo sa Fridays. Ito na yung ating mango tango. And then, Ate Gab, that's yours.
Why?
Ate, that's yours.
Wow. Should I have two scoops? Could have had
2 ice cream. It's brownies.
Nah, that's funny.
You can ask it.
Siya talaga makasweet yun si Jan. Baka? Makasweet. Nag-ask pa si Jan ng isa pang ice cream kasi kulang ang ice cream para sa kanya. Yung ice cream niya. Tayo dito sa Fridays. Nasa time zone pala kami, oh. So magka-cart tayo papunta sa condo. Si Jan pala nasa 7-Eleven. Kumuha lang siya ng tubig.
What's wrong, Dad?
It takes so long.
What? Huge line.
Huge line. Okay.
A long line.
Long line pala.
And the
Dito na tayo, guys. This is Japanese.
I know, I love it.
We can go to Japanese.
We can go get them at a shop.
Mommy, I'm
Hi, Chu.
Well, not anymore.
Not
They
anymore.
ordered it.
And ito yung nabili nila sa ano, sa 7-Eleven. Why Cheetos? Ano ba yung Cheetos? Water.
I was gonna get you guys Vivo.
And what else did we buy? Ito yung shorts ni Kuya. Mga shorts ni Kuya. 1, 2, tatlong shorts. Suot niya na yung isa. And ito yung Regatta Women na ano lang, perfume. Ito kay Holly. Ito Pacific. Kay Holly to Pacific yung kanyang scent ata niyan. Sa akin, Seascape. Mabango siya. Parang summer lang. Pang araw-araw. And what else? Sa bench. Si Jan, bumili siya ng para sa card niya daw. Para sa boat. And eto sa Sunny's, ano natin? Dun sa, saan ba to? Basta dun sa Sunny's. Honey!
Oh, sorry.
My God. Okay. Ulit. Yung mga napili ko sa Sunny's, eto. Yung para sa anti-rad. And readers. Kasi malabo na ang aking mata, guys. And bumili akong isa, Sunny's, pang beach natin. Pang beach. Ito pang araw-araw. Ayan. Malulobat na tayo, guys. So, yan ang kinuha ko. Ang ganda nito. Oh, wala pang ganitong kulay na shades. So, yan. Sa Sunny's naman to. Pareho sila. Saksak, kuya. Can you get that one, please? And what else? Sa bench. Meron tayong nakuha rin sa bench. Mas gusto kong ganitong ano, guys. Lalagyan ng shades. So, bumili ako ng lalagyan ng ating anti-rad. Tsaka yung reader na
Oh my God, my
glass.
perfume.
Kay Zach. Bench na shorts.
perfume.
And bumili akong
That one's yours.
swimwear. Ayan. Hala, napaka-ano pala nito. Revealing naman. Tapos bumili ako ng eto, ang haba. Okay lang. Cover up. And also this one.
Where's your glasses? You showed them
Ayan.
your glasses, Mom?
The bench. And what else? That's it.
Wait, where's my other perfume?
Where's the bench? Ito pa pala.
And my other... So this one's my perfume.
Ito naman bench. Spring Day, yung sa
That one's
akin.
mine. Oh, that one's yours.
And kay Holly
This
is
one's mine.
Handsome Girl. So yan, guys,
I
yung...
am
So yan yung ating mga nabili sa ating
So this one's corn.
little shop dito sa,
This is
ano.
corn.
Yeah.
I can smell it.
Okay na, guys. End ko na yung vlog. Mag-e-edit pa pala ako. So yun na, guys. Thank you.
Please like and please subscribe if you're having it. See you in the next vlog. Bye, guys.
See you tomorrow.
Because I think I do what you know.